Hey guys, this is Iron Banerjee once again, and today we are checking out the mighty Hayabusa GSX 1300R. It's fast, it's fantastic. I mean, who haven't heard about the Hayabusa? Almost every biker keeps a dream of having his hands on this bike, and today I'm lucky to have my hands on this bike, all thanks to biker boy Zahir. It was an instant blockbuster as it was introduced in 1999. It immediately won acclaim as the fastest production bike with a top speed claim of up to 312 kmph. The name Hayabusa comes from the word Paragon Falcon in Japanese. Today I am thankful to the owner of the bike, biker boy Zahir, for letting me review his bike and grabbing my hands on this fantastic beast. The seat height is about 805 mm with a ground clearance of 120 mm. The fuel tank's capacity is about 21 liters. Taking a look at its design, I must say it is an ageless design. The headlamp housing looks mega intimidating and super aggressive along with its turn indicators. The aerodynamics are spot on and the windshield comes in handy in avoiding any kind of wind blasts. The bike gets 3-spoke cast aluminum alloy wheels with 120/70 tire up front and 190/50 radial tire at the back. The sitting posture is not too aggressive. The legendary 1340cc inline 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine is supposed to put out 198.5 PS at 9000 rpms and 155 Nm torque at 7200 rpm. Now, if there was a feeling that was more intense than your wildest dreams, if there was a name that could set your pulse rate high, and if there was a motorcycle that flows you with its unending power yet impresses you with its unflinching character, it has to be the Hayabusa. We do get all the regular switches. The console consists of the 5-dial cockpit with a digital display in the middle. We get an analog speedo and a tachometer, fuel gauge and a temp gauge. The bike comes with a 6-speed gearbox. The bike reaches 0 to 60 in about 2.74 seconds. A lightweight and a rigid wheel spar aluminum frame minimizes the weight while maintaining a high torsional strength. The Suzuki clutch assist system proves great for smooth gear shifts. The bike costs around 13.88 lakh ex-showroom price, which is almost a steal for such price range in 20th century. Again, a huge thanks to biker boy Zahir for letting me get my hands on this beautiful beast. So that's pretty much it guys for now. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe, like and share. And until next time, peace out.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification.